This is VT-1, a vertical takeoff and landing Class 3 quadcopter that combines the versatility of a fixed-wing aircraft with the agility of a quadcopter. Powered by AI, it is designed for professionals across various industries. Upon opening the box, the sleek design immediately captures attention, embodying the advanced fixed-wing concept essential for high-intensity flights with outstanding stability. With a high-capacity battery, VT-1 ensures stable, long-range flights. Each battery constantly monitors its levels, ensuring a safe return before depletion. Being fully electric, it's designed for prolonged airtime, ideal for extensive aerial tasks. At its core is a cutting-edge flight controller, precisely optimized for responsive control. Whether performing smooth cruises or intricate maneuvers, VT-1 handles each task with ease. Navigation is further refined by the onboard RTK positioning module, delivering real-time kinematic accuracy crucial for professional applications. VT-1's payload capacity of up to 1 kilo enables the transportation of various equipment, from sensors to cameras, expanding its utility from aerial photography to data collection. With its innovative blend of versatility and reliability, the VT-1 is set to redefine expectations in the drone market.